What are you doing, Alicia? What are you doing? You trying to climb up there? Huh? Climb up on your box. Come on. Whoa! Can't just jump over there like you want to. Here, come on. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Let's see you do it, baby girl. You can do it. There you go. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Now stand up. Stand up like a big girl. You can do it. Yeah. Stand up. There you go. Oh, you were getting there. You're almost there. Come on. Come on. Get that leg up there. There you go. All right, now push your hands back. Yeah. Push your hands back. You're almost there. Come on. Finish standing up. Push your hands back. Yeah. Pretty close.